Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can prevent thieves from stealing your iPhone. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to go ahead and simply open up your settings application. Inside here, scroll down and then tap on Face ID and passcode. Now enter your passcode. Now inside here, scroll down. Then you need to go ahead and turn off Control Center on your lock screen. You can also turn off USB accessories. This means nobody can swipe down or quickly enable airplane mode without unlocking your phone. To make your phone even secure, go back to settings, then tap on privacy and security. Now make sure your location services are turned on. That way, Find My iPhone can always track your device. And that's it. With these settings, thieves won't be able to cut off your phone's location by switching on airplane mode. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.